Hey, Rainbow here and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to take a look at JOYROOM that makes a really nice phone holder specifically for motorcycles. Let's take a deep dive into this right now. And as usual, full disclosure on this. This was sent to me for free. I could keep it. I don't know whether I'm going to keep it or not because, well, I don't know how much I like it. But what I will tell you is this. It seems to be very well built and extremely robust. And the way it's put together, it looks like there's a lot of anti-vibration. And truth be told, also, it's been about 5 or so months since I've actually rode with my phone mounted to my bike. I have an iPhone. I'm afraid of vibration, so I've been keeping it in my pocket, which is kind of a pain in the butt. I like to have it out front and center for me to see. Even when I went all the way to Austin, Texas, and back to the near the Miami area, I kept the phone in my pocket, which kind of sucked, to be quite honest with you. This one, the way it's built, I feel a lot more comfortable doing so, but that's about it. Now, further disclosure. They sent this to me for free. I could say whatever I want. I don't make any money if you buy one. I don't care if you buy one. I'm just going to give it an honest review and let you know what I think about this. Fortunately for me, which is kind of nice, some products are being sent to me to test out, and that's exactly what I'm going to do. One of the companies actually gave me a script and I said no thank you, so I refused to take their product because I want to be able to be honest, because if I can't be honest with the audience that's here, I have no credibility. So let's see if I like it and let's talk about it right now. Okay, let's get started. Like I said, it's very robust. It looks like there is a lot of anti-vibration built in, not just here, but in the back, and I'm going to show you in a second. What it comes with is it comes with the actual holder itself that you can see right here. Now, in order to tighten things down, you do need a tool, so it comes with 2 different tools for you in case you lose one. That's the good part of it, and it's also the bad part about it. We're going to talk about that. 2 little holders so you can put them somewhere. This is the part that needs the tool that you're going to use in order to keep this connected right here. Of course, it has directions, and it has 4 different pieces for wrapping around your bike, and it also has these little pieces of rubber that fit inside here so that you can squeeze down on the handlebars without a problem. One of the things when I got this, I was like, okay, this isn't going to work for me because I have an iPhone 14 Pro Max Plus. It's really big, and to make it even bigger, I put it in an OtterBox. All right, that makes it extremely large. Look at this; it fits in it perfectly. It clamps down on the side, and I'm really comfortable with this so far. But again, iPhone 14 Plus Pro Max right here, and it fits in this holder, no problems at all. Now, one of my complaints about some of the phone holders is that these clamp down right where the buttons are. As you can see, that's not an issue here. It clamps down on the low end of the phone, so it's far away from the buttons. As far as an iPhone is concerned, this is fantastic. On the back, there's a release button, nice little mechanism that you can press this and it'll open everything up. So that's how you release the pressure you clamp on it, is with this release button right here. First thing you want to do is you want to find one of these that fits just about right. Now this one is close. This is of course tapered, so we want to get it on the meaty section here. This is where I normally mount this stuff. This is a little bit loose, but that's okay. That is why they put these pieces in here, and then this will just slide right inside this little rubber, I'm going to call it a shim, and then it's going to fit perfect. Once you do that, it's time for you to get it mounted just like this. Okay, so get it mounted, get your shim in if you need it. Again, there are multiple sizes here. And then this is going to come in here and go right in place just like that. Sounds easy. Let's do it. And then once you get that out of the way, the other side of the tool will then loosen up this component right here. And now you can set this up for wherever you want it. All right, I'm going to put mine, let's see where I want it. Probably like this, I think is a good spot for this bike. Use this tool again and tighten it down. Now once you have it in place and where you like it, go ahead and make sure that it doesn't hit the tank or hit up here. So this is in the clear. I have a lot of clearance here. I'm good to go. It's exactly where I want it. And you can slide it forward, slide it back based on the clamp. And then on here, you can kind of bring it up and adjust it where you want it, left or right. But the down portion is going to be with the clamp right here. So there's nothing better left than to take it for a ride. So let's take it for a ride.
Okay, so now we're going to do the test ride with this thing. What I'm going to tell you that what I do like about it is that down in here there's a lot of anti-vibration built in between that little piece of rubber that I put plus this rubberized plastic here that holds this on, and then also where this mounts to the back of this frame, it's also full of rubber that helps the vibration. So I'm feeling really comfortable and confident with this that the vibration issues that I was experiencing with another brand, I think I'm pretty confident that that's taken care of. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and take it on the highway now, see how it performs on the highway, a really quick jaunt, and we'll take it from there. Before I start talking about that, it does require that special tool, all right? The clamp for the handlebar is one tool, the clamp for the universal is another one, and between the two of them, they give you two so that you always have a spare. So the good thing is that it makes it more difficult for someone to steal this from you because they'd have to have that particular tool. The bad news is that if you need to, you know, do something on the fly and you lose your tool, you're kind of screwed. All right, you can see that there's a little bit of bouncing here with it, but I think that's the anti-vibration protection, and it seems to be holding up really well. It's clamped on the sides, it's controlled top to bottom, and like I said, this is the biggest phone really that's out there, and it seems to hold it rather well. All right, one last thing before I knock this out. This particular model, and I'm going to list it here in the video, is not on their website and it's not in Amazon. And I know that they do, it seems like the majority of their sales through Amazon. So I don't even know how much this costs, but what I do know is that it is an extremely lower cost compared to just about anything else out there. They're very inexpensive, but it's very robust. And when I say robust, when you feel it, and it's got some weight to it, and it seems to be rather well made. Now, how well this performs in the Florida sun with all of the UV rays hitting it, I don't know, but I've had problems with other brands too for the same issue. But that's about it. So I thought this would be a quick and easy one. This is Rainbow. Please like, please subscribe. I'd appreciate it. Thank you very much, and have a good day. Bye-bye.